Today we're here at the GAWDA SMC. I'm thankful to be joined by the McDantim team. First, we're going to do some quick introductions, and then we'll get right into the interview.
My name is Kalli, and I am the COO of McDantim. I'm new to GAWDA. This is my first time attending a conference. I've just been with McDantim for 15 months, so I'm learning, but I'm very excited to be here.
Hello, my name is Taylor Anderson. I'm the development engineer at McDantim, and I've been there 15 years and been to quite a few of these GAWDA events, so happy to be here.
I'm Nathan Welch. I've been with McDantim for 4 years. I am the industrial production manager. And it's my first time at GAWDA, and it's meeting a lot of people. Haven't got a chance to explore yet, but I can't wait for that.
Awesome. There you have it. There's the McDantim team. First question, Taylor.
Yeah.
Talk about how you can help beverage gas distributors in GAWDA.
All right. Well, we got our start in beverage way back in the day over in the UK at the request of Guinness, and then evolves through that over into the US market. It's really allowed much higher efficiency when it comes to bev gas, especially as you move into higher CO2 blends.
Okay.
It's really allowed the proliferation of long draw draft systems in the US, the ability to push beer much farther distances with using mixed gas. As well, on-site blending is just the most efficient way to do it.
Yeah. So cool. Taylor, could you tell me a little bit more about McDantim's industrial gas blending products and why distributors should be interested?
Yeah. So we sort of evolved from beverage into the industrial world, and kind of all the same things apply there. It's, on-site blending has a high level of efficiency. The way that we do it is a little bit different than lots of the other competitors in the market, and we don't have any electricity requirements. We don't have any storage tank requirements.
Wow.
We have a really high level of accuracy in all the blends that come out. So whether it's welding, shield gas, food packaging, heat treating, any kind of controlled atmosphere, we can do it. And again, it's just an efficiency level of moving into micro bulk or bulk gases, or even just pure gas cylinders. It's the best way to mix on site, and we do it at a very high level.
Awesome. Okay, last question for Taylor. Taylor, can you tell me about the gas analyzers that you guys have here today?
Yeah, so kind of a new product for us, one that we've been working on for a while now. Basically, it came down to there's lots of analyzers out there, but it was difficult to get one that was accurate enough for kind of our standards and the standards of our blending equipment.
Yeah.
But we found one now that we like, and we put together kind of a cohesive package that we're going to start offering to anybody that needs it. We'll do CO2 nitrogen and CO2 argon, as well as carbon monoxide, just kind of out of the gate. But we've been quite happy with it. We've run a lot of testing against our mass spec, and the data all looks great. So we're bringing it to market this year.
Awesome. What is the typical order that would go out to a distributor, and what does that process look like for McDantim?
All right, what that process looks like is we get an order from the distributor, and then we would build the blender technology. We have a nice clean room for that, and then we'll take that technology, put it into a panel. This particular panel behind us is a 2-gas, 3-blend blender or panel. We will use a mass spectrometer to tune all 3 of the outlets on this particular item, and that ensures quality, plus or minus 2% of the minor component, and then it's ready to be shipped to their facility.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, and then last question, Kalli. Kalli, what is the value proposition for McDantim in GAWDA?
So for McDantim, really what sets us apart are a couple things. We have a really quick turnaround time. Typical products ship within 2 to 4 weeks upon order confirmation. Our equipment does not require any electricity, and there's minimal maintenance. So all 3 of those are great for the industry.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. We thank McDantim for everything they do for GAWDA. They are an annual sponsor, and we don't know what we would do without them. I'll drop all their contact info in the description below, and if you guys have any questions or are looking for solutions, feel free to give them a call.